Financial market news from GoldClays. Average Bitcoin transaction fee drops below BRL5 for the first time in 2 years. For the first time in the past 2 years, the average value of fees paid per transaction on the Bitcoin (BTC) blockchain has dropped below $1. Blockchain.com data shows that as of Monday, the average Bitcoin transaction fee dropped to $0.825. That is, around 4.28 Brazilian reals at the current exchange rate in reais. The last time this amount was recorded was on June 13, 2020. South Korea exchanges plan to offer crypto in 2023 as country wants to tax airdrops. News involving cryptocurrencies continues to come from South Korea. It seems that the country is really paying attention to digital assets. This is true both with regard to the oversight and regulation of crypto and with regard to the provision of crypto services. The country's authorities are considering taxing people who receive digital assets via airdrop. As an official at the Ministry of Economy and Finance reported, according to the Digital Times portal, the rate could reach 50%. The news comes less than a week after authorities in the country issued a note threatening global cryptocurrency exchanges operating in the country without records, with fines and even arrests. Apparently, these actions are part of the country's new strategy to regulate cryptocurrencies. At the same time, at least 7 South Korean exchanges are planning to start offering cryptocurrency services starting next year. That is, it shows that the adoption of cryptocurrencies in the country is growing. Whale that bet 5 million Brazilian reals on Earth's collapse now strikes back. Jim Cramer. The whale known as Algod, who predicted the collapse of the Earth ecosystem, Luna, has struck again. After betting $1 million on Earth's fall weeks before its collapse, Algod's new target is now trading in Jim Cramer. The investor stated that he will do a contra trading with the host of CNBC's Mad Money. That is, instead of buying the cryptocurrencies he indicates, Algod will sell, and when he indicates the sale, he will buy. According to Algod, the idea is to show that Cramer is just a deceiver. Some people work from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. I just counter trade with Jim Cramer. It's not much more than honest work, Algod wrote. This isn't the first time Cramer has been criticized on the web for his often failed nominations. It has recently become a meme due to several questionable nominations in the past. Also, there is a Twitter account called Inverse Cramer ETF that likely inspired Algod. In it, more than 84,000 followers identify Cramer's nominations to do precisely the opposite of what he indicates. Bitcoin corrects 17%, but market expects new rally report, analyst says. Bitcoin has been trading in the red for the past few days and appears to be on its way to further losses in the short term. In this way, the cryptocurrency has returned a large part of its profits since the beginning of August. So now, according to analyst Reynaldo Marques, BTC may retest support at around $20,000. Meanwhile, all eyes are on the US dollar as measured by the DXY index. The coin has dropped from a yearly high north of 100 and has entered a period of accumulation and sideways price action. So now, bulls are trying to get back to levels last seen at the beginning of the millennium. Samsung to launch cryptocurrency exchange in 2023, report says. Global technology giants will launch cryptocurrency exchanges in 2023. In this way, according to several publications in South Korea, companies such as Mirai Asset Securities and Samsung Securities will enter the Bitcoin business. Domestic financial regulators have been quite strict with cryptocurrency-related entities in recent years. So along this line, in the past year, more than 60 cryptocurrency trading platforms have stopped their operations. They closed their operations motivated by the mandatory requirements that the Financial Intelligence Unit (FIU) has imposed. But now a new wave of cryptocurrency exchanges could take place in South Korea. Bitcoin rises again, ETH, ADA and SOL react positively. GAIN tokens are up 24%. The cryptocurrency market started this Tuesday, 23, in a mixed way. By 9 a.m., most of the top cryptocurrencies on the market were trading higher, including Bitcoin, BTC. The main cryptocurrency on the market, Bitcoin rose by 0.4% in the last 24 hours, after having dropped more than 14% over the weekend. According to CoinGecko, the price of BTC around 9 a.m. was 110,405 Brazilian reals, about 10% lower than last week. Meanwhile, the dollar price has remained stable over the last 7 days, with small fluctuations during the market's operation. The average USD/BRL exchange rate for the week was BRL 5.15. Stablecoins, currencies paired with the dollar, have also remained stable over the past 7 days. At around 9 a.m., currencies like USDT, USDC, BUSD and DAI were trading for BRL 5.16. The low variation of the dollar during the last week meant that Brazilians could feel the variations of the crypto market without major exchange rate influences. According to some analysts, this currency stability may have encouraged investors, especially newcomers, to the market. The total cryptocurrency market volume in the last 24 hours was $70.74 billion, which represents an increase of 19.05%. Furthermore, the total volume in DeFi was $5.43 billion, 7.67% of the total 24-hour volume of the cryptocurrency market. The volume of all stablecoins now stands at $63.92 billion, which represents 90.37% of the total 24-hour volume of the cryptocurrency market. PayPal joins Coinbase trust solution to meet travel rules. Cryptocurrency exchange Coinbase reported Monday that online payments company PayPal has joined its Travel Rule Universal Solution Technology Trust initiative. As Coinbase explained, Trust is a global solution that aims to increase compliance with a requirement known as the Travel Rule. This rule puts priority on the security and privacy of customers. PayPal has been a leader in digital payments for over 20 years, using technology to make financial services and commerce more convenient, accessible and secure for more than 400 million consumers and merchants worldwide. The addition of PayPal marks another milestone in Trust's journey to becoming the industry-standard global solution for travel rules compliance, said Coinbase. BlockFi can be acquired by FTX.US for just BRL 76 million. Cryptocurrency lending platform BlockFi remains in the spotlight when it comes to news about acquisitions in the cryptocurrency market. After Ledon enters the dispute with the cryptocurrency exchange FTX for the purchase of the company, there is information that states that FTX.US is about to close the deal for a very modest amount, by the way. According to a recent report, the minimum price of the FTX.US acquisition deal with BlockFi is $15 million. That is, just over 76 million Brazilian reals at the current exchange rate in reais. However, the report highlights that the value may change depending on the company's performance. AVAX rises 4.6% and prepares new appreciation of another 27%, understand. According to CoinMarketCap, AVAX, the cryptocurrency on the Avalanche network, is up 4.6% in the last 24 hours. The AVAX price operates at $23.20, or around BRL 118.19 in current values, close to an important resistance region. The appreciation reinforces the bullish behavior seen on AVAX since June 18, forming an upward channel. That is, the AVAX price has recorded higher tops and bottoms for at least 30 days, a strong bullish signal. With the current appreciation, the cryptocurrency is close to breaking a resistance that could lead to a new appreciation of up to 27%. If that happens, the bullish move could culminate with the price breaking $28, which would give BRL 144 in current values. Chilean skyrockets 130% and ranks among the top 40 cryptocurrencies on the market. Understand the high. The Chilean CHZ token, native to the blockchain-based football and entertainment platform Socios.com, has skyrocketed in recent weeks to become the 40th largest cryptocurrency by market cap. More precisely, the price of the digital asset on the platform focused on fan tokens has jumped around 130% in the last 30 days, somewhat out of step with the rest of the market. About a month ago, the price of CHZ was at 0.53 Brazilian reals and, at the time of writing this article, it is above 1.20 Brazilian reals. That is, an appreciation of 126% in the period. In addition to the monthly high, the price of CHZ also accumulates a 13% increase in the last week alone. Financial market news from GoldClays.